Are you ready to draw this cute ladybug inside a cup with me? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, I want to say a huge thank you. Your support really helps my small channel keep going. Now let's start. Step 1. Draw 2 rounded hands with a little space between them. Then, connect them together with a curved line. Now, let's connect the outer sides of the hands with a big curve to form the face shape. Step 2. Using these lines, let's draw her asymmetric bangs. Don't forget to leave some space for the eyes and eyebrows. In the next step, draw her eyelashes along an imaginary guideline. Give them some thickness, fill them in black, and add the little lash strands. Step 3. Now, draw a large oval inside the eye. Add some sparkling highlight dots. I'll outline this bottom section too. Let's repeat these exact same steps for the left eye. Whenever you fall behind, just pause the video and complete the step at your own pace. Now, color the upper part of the eye black. Step 4. I'll draw 2 little black eyebrows and a small, happy mouth. Now let's move on to the next step, starting from the right side. First, I'll draw a curve for the side of her head. Then, let's draw her cute pigtail tied with a hair tie so pretty. Now, draw another short curve. And add her antenna like this. Add a small curve at the top of her head. And then repeat the same steps in reverse for the left side. The head curve and the pigtail. Step 5. Now let's move on to the cup. First, I'll complete the inner rim on each side. Then, using another curve, I'll draw the outer edge and a big half circle for the cup body. And draw the cup handle on the right side. And finally, add a base underneath the cup. Step 6. Now, draw cute black polka dots anywhere you like on the cup and the ladybug hood. And we are all done. Up to this point, was this drawing hard or easy? What would you like our next tutorial to be? If you love this drawing, don't forget to like the video. Bye bye!
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.